Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary, and I am Mary. Y'all, just like the thumbnail showed, I got another haul. Yes, another Bath & Body Works haul for y'all today. I did stop in store and picked up a few things. This is actually, today when I'm recording this is the 30th of October. You will probably see this up by Wednesday, Thursday of this week, so yeah, but y'all, I had to do it. I didn't get a lot. It wasn't a big one. I spent a total of $31, saved like $9, so it wasn't a big savings haul, but your girl, you know me, I had to do it. First thing I picked up, you guys, oh my goodness. Let me just get this stuff out of here real quick so we can get to it, okay? I did get a mini in Frosted Coconut Snowball. Yes. It does not list the scent notes on these smaller bottles, but I will look them up for you. Okay, scent notes on Frosted Coconut Snowball are Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Freesia, Snow-Kissed Woods, and Spun Sugar. I do like the packaging this year. I think it's super cute. It's a very cute bottle. I do like the scent this year as well. I will be doing an upcoming review and comparison on every scent that you've seen me purchase thus far. I do have a lot of videos coming, so be patient. There is a lot of new stuff that dropped, so they are coming. It's just, it's a process, y'all. It's a process. I also did pick up Bright Christmas Morning in the new packaging, and yes, I did get these in minis because I already own them. So I wanted to get them specifically for review and comparison purposes, and so that I could tell you guys what the dilly is. Scent notes on Bright Christmas Morning: ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. She smells the same to me as of right now, but I don't have the old one right now in front of me to compare it, but I will be doing that for y'all, but she still smells the same. Kind of like a Christmassy fruit punch, so to speak. I do like her, and I'm excited to do the review and comparison of this one because I also have thoughts on this one. Oh, do I have thoughts? I also picked up Jolly Gingerbread Village. Yes, I was so excited for this scent, and we're going to definitely talk about her in an upcoming video, but let me give you the scent notes first. Scent notes on Jolly Gingerbread Village is golden gingerbread, vanilla icicles, and Yuletide timber. It says what it smells like, putting the last finishing touches on your gingerbread masterpiece. I have thoughts on this, and I cannot wait for the video of this one to go up because I have some thoughts. This definitely does not, I will say this definitely does not smell like gingerbread, nor does it smell like you're putting the finishing touches on your gingerbread village. It is a complete lie, in my opinion, their description of this, and I'm honestly like, yeah. So I'm going to be putting that up as well. You guys, I also picked up Happy Birthday in the mini body cream. It's supposed to be like a buttercream fragrance. But here's what I noticed this year. In years past, when this has come out, it did kind of smell like a buttercream frosting. This year, I smelled the spray in store and I was like, I know that scent. I know that scent. Oh, yes, indeed. Y'all, this is Christmas cookies in body care. It is. It's Christmas cookies. They just called it Happy Birthday. So if you see the minis in this, in the spray, they had all three of them, the spray, the lotion, and the shower gel. They were all minis. None of them were full size. But y'all, it's Christmas cookies. So they didn't bring out Christmas cookies this year, but she's there. Just an FYI, a heads up, y'all. If you're missing Christmas cookies this year, happy birthday. You're welcome. Happy birthday. I also did pick up, the last item is Gingerbread Bakery in the Pocketback. I thought that was super cute, and I was very curious considering what Jolly Gingerbread Village ended up smelling like. what this would smell like. So let's sniff. I have not sniffed her yet. I can already smell it. This is true, authentic gingerbread. This gingerbread bakery, true, authentic gingerbread. Oh, yes, indeedy. This is what they should have made this smell like. Yeah, that is. Now, but I will say I do have something in my body care collection that is very, very close to this. And we will talk about that when I do the review of Jolly Gingerbread Village. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that is everything I got in my haul, you guys. I know it wasn't a big haul, but I wanted to share it with you. I had to get my hands on those. There still is a lot of new coming from Bath & Body Works. And on a side note, I do want to say something. I have gotten some comments lately about my personality, the fact that I pepper in a few swear words when I do these videos. And it's not a lot. They're very few and far between, but I'm going to say something. I am going to be unapologetically, authentically myself. I am not going to be fake and prim and proper or what people think an influencer or someone on YouTube should be. Please believe, baby, if you want that, there are plenty of them out there who are prim and proper and decorum and and in my opinion, a lot of them are fake as hell. And I will never be that. I'm going to be who I am. I spent a good chunk of my life being who other people wanted me to be, who other friends, family members, men in my life wanted me to be. And after I hit 40, I started becoming more and more authentically myself, rediscovering myself, really falling in love with the real, true version of Mary. And I give zero fucks. So if you like me, that is wonderful. If you don't like me, that is totally fine too, because I am a mature enough woman to know that not everybody is going to like me, and that's fine. That's totally fine. But keep it moving. If you feel the need to leave a comment and let me know how much you dislike me, do me a favor and don't dirty delete it. Let everybody else see how much you don't like me, and if others agree, they can chime in. Hey, that's totally fine. It's freedom of speech. I have no problem with that. Just don't dirty delete it. And yeah, I'm going to continue being unapologetically myself. And I happen to love Mary, and I think she is pretty damn just fine the way she is. So anyway, you guys, that is everything I have for today. If you picked up any of these beauties in store or the happy birthday, let me know your thoughts. Or even if you got the Pocketbacks, if there's any new Pocketbacks that I need to know about. Okay. Other than that, y'all, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. Other than that, y'all, we'll see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.